Alright, so I got a 09 Hummer H3. And this is the switch right here that tells the computer when your door is open or shut. And mine is intermittently not letting it know the door's open when it is. So I got a new one. Part number is right there for you. Hold on. There you go. And it's real easy to change. It's just a T20 bit Torx. It's not that you need to see this part, but just in case somebody wanted to see how it's done, how easy it is to change. I'm not going to be able to disconnect the connector on camera, but that screw came out with that one, but the new one comes with the screw, so you don't need to worry about the old screw unless you just want to have it to keep around. But so this just literally just pulls straight out, and then you kind of got to take it at an angle this way because the connector goes back that way. But yeah, gonna zoom in here. The connector, you just push down on that and then you can pull it off. Simple as that. And then just do the same process in reverse. Nice. I had a bird decide to take a dump on my Hummer. Awesome, right? All right, you guys, that's it for this one. Deuces. Oh yeah, by the way, I was gonna say the reason that I'm changing this is because I have a weird thing going on with my Hummer. My radio works sometimes and doesn't work other times. And it's not like when I'm driving, if I hit bumps, that makes it start working or stop working. Nope, it's literally from the moment that I open the door. Either the door chime is working or it's not. And sometimes it all just works, sometimes it all just doesn't. So I'm looking for any little electrical issues around my Hummer to try to fix, to see if any of them might be causing that. So yeah, keep y'all updated about that H3 life. See you for the next one.